Hey Nate,
Hey!
what's happening, bro?
Editing a video. About to post it.
Editing a video. Oh, the drone shots. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Palm Beach outlets where we are hanging out at a Cars and Coffee meetup. There's thousands of cars right now, but we are with the Tesla Club. A bunch of us are here. We are located where the chargers are, but we have a sea of Teslas here, about 15 or 20, and it's really cool. So I wanted to share this moment with you so that you know how we're doing things here in Florida with the South Florida Club, and inviting you, if you are in the area, you're a new owner, you haven't joined the club, go ahead and join. For now it's free, so it keeps you informed of any events like this that we are attending. So hopefully we get to meet you in the next one, and just wanted to show you, so join me, I'll show you what's going on. Check out the purple Model 3. This is the original Model 3 from our friend that happens to be behind the camera today, Mr. Nate McComb. This is not a vinyl wrap. This is actually sprayed onto the car. The purple Model 3 that sits next to mine is vinyl, which is the glossy Inostec. They call it Super Gloss Midnight Metallic Purple. And then the one that's on the left, which is Nate's Purple 3, he actually sprayed that car at his garage with a spraying gun. It was a lot of fun. He actually did the other car that I had, which was a psychedelic color shifting pearls car. And but this is how it all started for me in terms of customizing the car, because Nate, which like I told you is behind the camera, is the one like enticing me to do that, to change the car color. And I said, like, you know what, let's do it. So we did the sprayed car first, and now I have the wrapped beautiful purple on my car. So yeah, people that own these cars, they like to customize them because otherwise they all look the same. So you see a bunch of different wraps, different colors, people making them unique, making them different so that they can, I don't know, maybe find them easier in the crowds. Yeah, that's pretty much it, just to show you what's going on. And if you're not a member of the South Florida Club and you're in the area, go to the website, register. For now it's free, so it's a good chance to hang out with other Tesla owners and, you know, be able to answer some of your questions. I don't know, that's pretty much it, really. A good day with good friends.